Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So there is one update about the Indian Institute of Technology Roorkee. The shortlist of IIT Roorkee for the MBA program is out. So if we consider the overall eligibility criteria for the Indian Institute of Technology Roorkee, then you must have completed your graduation with minimum of 60% marks, and there is 5% relaxation is given for the reserve category candidates. So you must have completed your graduation with minimum of 55% marks. Along with that, the CAT 2023 score is also needed. There is second category also, the IIT graduates with a CGPA of 7.0 or above on a point scale of 10 did not require to submit the CAT 2023 score. So on the basis of their marks only, they will receive the shortlist call from the IIT Roorkee. So there are two categories, the initial shortlisting of the candidates who have appeared for the CAT 2023 examination. So on the basis of this score they have obtained in the CAT entrance examination, they have received the call for the interview. And if we consider the category 2, then the IIT graduates with CGPA of 7 and above have received the call for the interview on the basis of their performance in their graduation. Then if we consider the final selection, then for the category 1 candidates, the final selection is done on the basis of the various parameters. Like in the final selection, the 60% weightage is given to the CAT score, 30% weightage is given to the personal interview, and 10% weightage is given to the work experience. And on this basis, the finally selected list of candidates is done. And if we consider the category 2 candidates, then the 100% weightage is given to the personal interview, and on that basis the finally selected list of candidates is done. So there is a Golden Girl scheme for female applicants for the IIT Roorkee. The eligibility for that is the first rank holder female candidates from an IIT or the institute or university that rank in the top 50 in the NRF in the most recent year is needed. If we consider the overall batch profile for IIT Roorkee, then the batch size is of 66 students, and there are 57 candidates are the male candidates and 9 candidates are the female candidates. If we consider it in terms of educational background, then there are 21% candidates are with the CSE and IT academic background, 19% candidates have the mechanical and allied background, 18% candidates have the ECE and EE background, 17% candidates are from the commerce and allied, 10% candidates are from the chemical, 8% candidates are from the civil, and 7% candidates have the academic background other than this. If we consider it in terms of work experience, then there are 58% candidates are the freshers, 15% candidates have the work experience in between 1 to 12 months, 11% candidates have the work experience in between 13 to 24 months, 8% candidates have the work experience in between 25 to 36 months, and 8% candidates have the work experience of 36 months or more than that. And if we consider the overall professional background, then there are 35% candidates are from the manufacturing, 22% candidates are from the education, 15% candidates are from the ITS and analytics, 13% candidates are from the consulting, 5% candidates are from the FMCG and FMCD, and 10% candidates are from the other sector than this. If we consider the placements for the IIT Roorkee, then the average salary package offered with this college, it is nearly up to 18.34 lakhs per annum. The highest CTC offered with this college, it is nearly up to 27.94 lakhs per annum. Then there are top 25% candidates are with the average salary package of 22.85 lakhs per annum. There are top 50% candidates are with the average salary package of 21.18 lakhs per annum. The median salary package offered with this college, it is nearly up to 18.09 lakhs per annum, and the lowest CTC offered with this college, it is nearly up to 11.60 lakhs per annum. If we consider the domain-wise placements for the IIT Roorkee, then for the operations, IT and analytics, the average salary package offered is nearly up to 19.36 lakhs per annum. And if we consider the profiles offered with this college, then those are management trainee, IT solutions advisor, package consultant, SAP consultant, operations analyst, data analyst, universal analyst, technical program manager, business analyst, and project manager. Then if we consider it for the general management, then the average salary package offered with this domain, it is nearly up to 18.39 lakhs per annum. And if we consider the profiles offered with this domain, then those are management trainee, young leaders program, assistant manager, associate senior manager, management leadership, strategy and business operations, team lead, and general manager. If we consider it for the marketing domain, then the average salary package offered with the marketing is nearly up to 18.29 lakhs per annum. And if we consider the profiles offered with the marketing domain, then those are management trainee, executive trainee, product manager, product specialist, relationship manager, business development, area sales manager, key account manager, and marketing strategy. Then if we consider it with the finance domain, then the average salary package offered is nearly up to 15.98 lakhs per annum. And if we consider the profiles offered with the finance domain, then those are financial risk advisor, financial operations, financial analyst, senior auditor, digital journey manager, portfolio manager, internal audit, financial consultant, senior financial associate, and graduate analyst. If we consider the overall top recruiters for the IIT Roorkee, then those are Adani, Barclays, Accenture Strategy, Cognizant, Deloitte, Infosys, HCL, Godrej, EXL, Hero, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, EY, Reliance, Aditya Birla Group, Tata AIA, Whirlpool, IBM, and there are so many companies. So this is all about the Indian Institute of Technology Roorkee. If you have any doubts, any queries in this, then you can just let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching the video. If you find the video helpful, then do like the video and subscribe the channel.